Guys, happy December 1st. So today I'm going to be doing Vlogmas day 1. So today starts day 1 out of my Vlogmas. I do this like every day out of the month of December. So until December ends, that's when I kind of stop doing everyday videos because that's going to be a lot for you guys. So we'll be doing a lot of content. I've already made some plans of what to do. Yeah, I'm also gonna do a makeup look today, like a makeup glam. So it's gonna be like a holiday look today. So I'm gonna post this on my YouTube and TikTok and possibly Instagram. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that, but welcome to my YouTube page, TikTok, wherever you're gonna watch this. If you're watching, subscribe on my YouTube channel and like and comment. For my TikTokers, if you guys are watching, welcome as well. Make sure you hit the follow and like this video, and my Instagram gurus. I just started my Instagram again, so gotta start from scratch. If you guys are watching on Instagram, follow, like, share. Also share my video as well everywhere. Basically using a cloth to like wash my face, not wash my face, like kind of have the like refresh feeling. I do this like every morning just to kind of make it more refreshing. So I want to share this with people whenever I do my makeup because it makes it such a huge difference. I've been doing this trend on myself and it works amazing. NYX Freezy Moisturizer Cooling Primer. I'm gonna use this a little bit on the face. I'm gonna rub it on all over and just kind of like do that. I'm just gonna do a little bit of face moisturizing, just a little bit. I do a face mist setting spray. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury. I just kind of like do this a little bit and just let it kind of dry.
So I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder Water Glow Primer. I'm only gonna do it just a tad. I'm only gonna aim it with my eyes because that's where I'm gonna use my look and stuff today.
The steps, you get like a setting powder or translucent. And this one is from Becca. Not a lot of people talk about this brand anymore, but it's really good. So I do a little bit of that right there, you know, smear all around really, and just do that.
And yeah, I'm gonna start with my brows first. So for me, I like to brush them nicely, like kind of give them the nice shape and stuff.
What you really do is just underline your brows. You can go dark, you can go like just light textures, so it doesn't feel so much. And then I just do the same thing here. I look silly right now, but I'm gonna put like concealer and all that good stuff, just kind of shape it up. So once I'm done doing that, I just get like a brow gel, just a little bit. I just kind of like shakes it a little bit here. Brush right here, like a flat one, and just kind of underline it right there. So I just go a little bit right here, because if you go too much, you might kind of make a mistake. I'm gonna do this. I know it's kind of funny. I'm doing it's like a little mirror. It's just easy to do. Just kind of like the more you blend with makeup, it makes sense. The beauty blender, and just kind of dab a little bit right there. You could do it like this, but it's kind of like my beauty blender is a little dirty right now, so I just make it like this. Okay, and then you get like a setting spray just to kind of damp it a little bit. And you apply it on. So just do that a little bit. I let it sit, blend it. So what palette I'm gonna be using today is this one. I think the brand is Garabella or something like that. I also bought it from somebody. If you want to check her out, she's on my TikTok all the time. So the colors are here. So I chose this palette because it has every color that you can think of. Definitely using some reds here and some pinks just to kind of mix it with the reds. Let me get another palette. I feel like I want a red that really stands out for the transition. I think this one is So Bella. That's the brand. I also got it from the same person. So I'm gonna use this like orangey red right there because it looks really bright. So I'm gonna also top it up with another red so it makes it nice and you know, has like that color with it too. I'm just gonna do this part. It's It's really nice. It's very easy to blend. When I just applied it on, the color just popped up right away, which is really, really neat. So with the red right here, I'm just also gonna apply it underneath my waterline. It's just to kind of give it like that dimension. So I really just needed that one specific color in this palette, but I love this palette so far, so that's like a plus, that the pigment. So what I'm gonna use is this color right here. Hold on. This one right there. I feel like it's a very nice plummy pink, and I feel like it's gonna blend really nicely together with it. Oh, by the way, if you guys are wondering what brush I'm using right now, it's from Beauty Creations. I got this like a year ago, and it's really nice. I like it a lot, and it's the texture of the brush is really soft. Color right there, just kind of like deepen up a little bit here on the edge, and just kind of like blended it together, and just go underneath from the transition color. Nice. You might not see it in like on the camera because my camera is so bad, guys, but in person it's like very nice, like bright red. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, like the second color, and just kind of put it underneath the waterline. Palettes are really good, by the way. I just love them. So I'm gonna be using Tarte concealer again, and then just gonna use this for my cut crease. I use like a little small brush because to make it line really nicely. I'm gonna grab the same brush like I did last time and just use this, and then just like tap tap. So I did like a little mistake, a lot of mistake here, as you guys can tell. The same colors and just kind of tap it a little bit. What I do next is use this color right here and just kind of like do a little bit of color. It just kind of make it like a plummy look. I kind of messed up a little bit, but you know, I can't change it now. What I'm gonna do next is use this powder and just set it here so it doesn't get sticky. Use like this like nice silvery, like it's like a shimmery metallic silver glitter. Looks like that. So I'm gonna apply it on my eyelids. You go back to the same color, to the resin thing, so like it makes it nice and, you know, more blended out together. So I'm gonna use this like nice angled brush and just kind of use it for here to make it like nice and have more color and dimension to it. So I'm gonna use like this white color right here, and I'm gonna attach it with the orange a little bit to kind of give that the nice dimension. Here, just a little bit, and I'm gonna put like the red together. This brown right here underneath the waterline. So I'm just like taking out all the excess from this tissue right here, and then I go with the black right here. I'm gonna use this as an eyeliner next, which is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm gonna use this like black eyeliner from Urban Decay. I look so weird with the white stuff, but don't worry guys, that's gonna get removed. Like the mascara, like once you put this together, it's gonna be like different. I'm gonna be using this for my lashes just to make it more up, like lifted a little bit. So it looks like that. I like it. Do the mascara again. So I'm gonna pick some lashes. I wanna try to put something small just for my glasses because I can't use them with my glasses. Using these blush. So it's an adhesive. Wow. It's a glue for the lashes. It looks like that.